People of the internet, with me is the new iPhone 14. I didn't really intend to make a joke about that, but it really does sum up the iPhone 14 as a whole package, or rather, a repackaged package. The differences are so minuscule between the 13 and the 14 that this may be the first year that I won't be able to tell the difference between them from a physical perspective, other than color. Everything in the box is standard iPhone unboxing material, but that's not to say that I don't feel any sense of excitement from unboxing a new Apple product. Inside the box, we've got the iPhone 14 itself, the paperwork with the all-important Apple stickers, and the Lightning to USB-C cable. Regarding what's actually new about the iPhone 14 compared to the 13, there are a few items worth mentioning. First is car crash detection, which I'm not really sure how reviewers are gonna test, but I guess it's a nice to have. Second is satellite connectivity, also another nice to have, but it was cool until I saw a little footnote about it only being free for 2 years. And lastly, it's just some new camera features like that photonic engine, the new action mode, and 4K in cinematic mode, which my iPhone 13 Pro and I are a little bit salty about because the 13 Pro and the 14 share the same chip. So it's not a processor limitation as to why they didn't put 4K in cinematic mode on the 13 Pro. Speaking of last year's 13 Pro, looking at the new blue color on the iPhone 14, it does share a lot of similarity with the Sierra Blue on the 13 Pro. Come to think of it, if you took an iPhone 13 Pro, removed ProMotion on the screen and the telephoto camera, and added some safety features, that would be very similar to the iPhone 14. Tangents aside, I know damn well that when the average person walks into the Apple Store or a carrier store and says they want a new iPhone, this new iPhone 14 will be the default option for most people. And whether it's a big or a small update, people are gonna buy it either way. Anyways, that's been it for this video. As always, gently tap the like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell to be notified whenever I release a new video. I also just want to say a huge thank you to my girlfriend for allowing me to unbox her new iPhone for her. If you're watching this, I love you lots. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.